Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 31. We did it, you guys. We made it through all 31 baby steps. I don't know about you, but it was a little bit rough for me. It was a little bit shaky, but guess what? I made progress. I started doing things that I wasn't doing before, and that's what counts. We're gonna build these habits. We don't have to do it overnight. FlyLady said it took her 9 months, I think, to get all of her habits going the way they are now and being on autopilot. So we have done it. We are flying now. The important thing is going to be to keep it up and keep building on the habits that we've already set up. So right now I'm going to go over our routine because we've set up a lot of habits, you guys. So I'm going to go over the morning, afternoon, and before bed routines so that you can just jump in wherever you are. Don't try to do all of it at once. Just pick one or one from each routine to focus on and keep building on that habit. So far, our morning routine is to get up and make your bed, get dressed to lace up shoes, do your hair and your face, swish and swipe your bathroom. We're going to prioritize eating our breakfast, drinking water, and taking our medications and our vitamins. We're going to recognize the negative voices and change them. You're going to reboot your laundry and start doing that load of laundry every day and start thinking ahead of what's for dinner. We're going to put out your hot spots for 2 minutes, set your timer. We're going to do a 5-minute room rescue. Just pick a room and set your timer and get started. We're going to spend 15 minutes decluttering each day. Do not try to organize your whole house. Do not try to get it all done at once. Just spend 15 minutes. Look at your control journal and your post-it reminders, and then we're going to read those FlyLady emails and delete them every day. So now for the afternoon routine. We're going to eat lunch and drink your water. If you need a special water bottle, I've linked that below. We're going to take a few minutes to just relax and spend some time on something that we want to do. And again, you can set your timer for this. If you feel like you don't want to get pulled down a rabbit hole of watching a bunch of YouTube videos, just set a timer so that you know when your stop time is. We're going to start dinner and start prepping that before it's time for dinner. Okay, so now for our before bed routine. You're going to keep your sink shining, so it's going to be washing it and wiping it out at night. We're going to lay out our clothes for the next day. I'm really bad about this, and so this is going to be one I need to focus on. We're going to put in a load of laundry, and again, this is something you can do at night or first thing in the morning. It's up to you how you want to set up your laundry schedule and routine. You're going to check your calendar for tomorrow's dinner. So remember, we've been planning our dinners ahead of time, so we know exactly what we're going to have for dinner in advance. Yes, this is one I need to work on as well. You're going to put out your hotspot, so that 2-minute timer, we're going to set it and clear off one of our flat surfaces. You're going to drink some more water and take your evening medications and vitamins and supplements. Look at your control journal and checklist and check off everything that you've done, because that's always really gratifying and rewarding. And then we're going to get in bed. We've set a time that we want to start going to bed, and if you haven't, you can do that. And then we're going to start going to bed at that time. So we have done it. We have stuck it out, done these 31 days of baby steps. I'm so glad you guys were able to follow me on this journey. Please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about homemaking, but also about hobbies and motherhood. Subscribe if that sounds like something that you're interested in and want to follow along with as I'm learning and I'm on this journey with you. I'm not an expert by any means. I'm learning and growing as I'm making these videos and as I'm making changes and putting habits in place that will help me to grow and really give me more time to do the things that I love to do. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.